Everyone says losing weight is hard, but what if I told you? It's not about starving yourself, it's about eating smart. So today, I'm giving you a 7-day breakfast plan that can literally help you burn fat, stay full longer, and stop those annoying cravings. And here's the best part. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete weekly plan you can start tomorrow. If you want to lose weight without feeling miserable, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's jump straight into day 1. Day 1. Power protein. Poha. We're starting strong. Protein-packed poha with chickpeas. Here's why this works. Protein are less hunger plus more fat burn. Soak chickpeas overnight. Boil them. Cook with onions, tomatoes, turmeric. Add poha, mix it all together. Boom, done. This meal keeps you full for hours and fuels your body. Day 2. Bajra Uttapam. Day 2 gets even better. We're making Bajra Uttapam with herbal tea. Why Bajra? Because it's loaded with fiber, which means better digestion, lower cholesterol, faster weight loss. Mix Bajra, flour, veggies, spices, cook like a pancake, and pair it with herbal tea to boost metabolism. Simple, powerful, effective. Day 3 might surprise you. Yes, you can eat paratha and still lose weight. But here's the twist. We use cabbage. Why? Low calories, high fiber. Keeps you full. Mix cabbage with whole wheat flour, cook lightly with ghee, and you've got a fat loss-friendly paratha. Now we level up. Oats dosa. Grind oats, mix with veggies, cook like dosa. Here's why it works. Low calorie, high fiber, high protein. This combo helps your body burn fat while preserving muscle. Pro tip, skip coconut chutney if you're serious about weight loss. Day 5 is all about pure protein power. Moong dal chilla. Soak and grind moong dal. Add ginger, spices. Cook with minimal oil. This meal speeds up metabolism, reduces cravings, keeps you full longer. Perfect for fat loss. Now this is next level. Quinoa upma. Quinoa is basically a fat loss superstar. High protein, high fiber, boosts metabolism. Cook it with veggies, spices, and a little oil. And you've got a breakfast that keeps your energy high all day. Day 7. Weight loss idli. Final day, and we finish strong. Oats plus ragi idli. Healthy, light, powerful. Roast oats. Mix with ragi flour. Add spices and veggies. Steam into soft idlis. This is the kind of meal that helps you lose weight without feeling like you're dieting. Why this plan works? Here's the secret nobody tells you. Weight loss isn't about eating less. It's about eating foods that keep you full, boost metabolism, control cravings. Every meal in this plan does exactly that. If you really want results, avoid sugary foods, fried foods, processed snacks. Because these are what actually clog your progress. Follow this 7-day breakfast plan consistently, and you will start seeing real changes. Not just on the scale, but in your energy, your cravings, and your confidence. If you made it this far, comment Day 1 started below. And don't forget to subscribe, because your transformation starts now.